Hey everyone, this is Isaac and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a cracked glass effect. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is import the object that you want to put the effect on. I'm going to import this picture of an iPhone. To remove the background, go to the object selection tool, select the layer of your new picture, select the object, press Command J, or on PC, press Ctrl J. In the layer section, we can delete the bottom layer. And we're left with an iPhone. The next thing we need is a cracked glass PNG. When you import the glass shatter, place it over your object where you want the glass shatter to be. Now that we've done that, I'm going to select the layer of the glass shatter, right click it and create clipping mask. So you can see it only clips to the iPhone. But as you can see, it doesn't look realistic enough. So what I'm going to do is select the cracked glass, select the eraser tool, and I'm going to delete the parts that don't make sense. This looks much better, but it can look even more realistic. By selecting the cracked glass again and going to blending modes, we can select screen. It blends in more nicely with the colors of our object. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.